Hi, I'll show you a very simple head pattern on 2 needles. Using a vest yarn, cast on half the number of stitches needed for the head. Cut the waist yarn and continue knitting with the head yarn. Work 3 rows. Knit, knit, purl, knit. This is how it looks. Next row, continue in this way. One slip, pick up the stitch from the row below. And knit. Next, purl. Once more, pick up the stitch from the row below. Knit, purl, pick up the loop, knit, purl, pick up the loop, knit, purl, and continue. Now continue to knit one by one rib. One knit, one purl, one knit, one purl. Now remove the waist yarn. See how nice the edge looks. Now continue in one by one rib for 7 centimeters. One knit, one purl. Work 7 centimeters. Now work 3 rows for the folded brim so the head stays in place. One slip, slip, knit, stitch yarn in back, purl, slip, purl, slip, purl, slip, continue. Next row, knit all the knit stitches and slip the purl stitches with yarn in front. Knit, slip yarn in front, knit, slip yarn in front, and continue. Next row, slipping the knit stitch with yarn in the back, purl, slip yarn in back, purl, slip yarn in back, and continue. We have finished the folded brim of the head, and now we continued with one by one rib, one knit, one purl. Continue one by one. Your desired length. For me, it's 18 centimeters, 7 inches. Now we'll work the decreases. Knit one row and purl one row. Knit, and purl one row. Next row, work, knit 2 together, purl 2 together, knit 2 stitches together, purl 2 stitches together, two together, knit, and 2 together, purl. Then work 3 rows in one by one rib. One by one, 3 rows. 3 rows in one by one rib, done. Knit 1 row and purl the next row again. Knit, and purl row. Now knit 2 stitches together and purl 2 stitches together. Knit 2 together and purl 2 stitches together. Continue. Now work 3 more rows in one by one rib. One by one, 3 rows. Sharp work, knit 2 stitches together, knit 2 together. Now it's look like this. Pull needle through all the stitches and sew. And sew.